Concept 5, finding domain and range. Alright, so domain is pretty straightforward. Because your parabola is always either opening up or opening downwards, but as it goes up or down, it's still going to the side, at least a little bit. Your domain is always going to be all real numbers, because even though it looks like, in this one it starts getting really close to straight up and down, it's never going to get exactly to straight up and down. It's always going to be opening up slightly to the sides, and if it's going infinitely down, even if it's opening out to the sides at a lot slower rate, it's still going to be going infinitely out as well, which means our domain is always going to be all real numbers. Okay? So domain is always all real numbers. All right. Now the range of your parabola is really tied with either your maximum or your minimum. Okay. If you have a maximum, so for this red one, we have a maximum, and we have a maximum at 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, I made those the same. Well, whatever. If my maximum's 4, then it's always going to be that the range of my parabola is less than, okay, my range is less than or equal to 4. Okay, this is the maximum value, so everything else, every other part of the parabola is less than or equal to 4. Okay, same with this one, except now I've got a minimum, so the range on that one is going to be greater than or equal to 4, because all of my parabola is above that minimum. Okay, and this is always what your domain and range is going to look like. Domain is all real numbers. Range is either less than or equal to some value, or greater than or equal to some value. Okay, less than or equal if you have a maximum, greater than or equal to if you have a minimum.